Hey, welcome inside of Vizio. Can't wait to get started, but please watch this entire how you help you get open. So now the login is use the login detail used to JV you copy password and then you simply click on icon here where there's a pop-up message which will show right here. Give me a good overview A to Z, you know, like creating a human talking avatar in multiple languages, you know, using the template or doing it from a blank template, you know, using the text to speech, using the text to translator. So all that is going to be covered in a condensed version right here to give you knowing quickly. So there's a smaller side. You can see